We're at Sunchase Unit F1. This is 200 Pensacola Beach Road, Unit F1. We've just come in through the front door here. We are standing in the living room. You can see our lots of good windows and slider door. This unit is partially furnished. We do have nice butcher block and concrete counters, stainless steel refrigerator, and we do have washer dryer units in the property. So here are those. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit. The bedrooms and bathroom are down a short hallway. And we'll take you down there now. So we're going back towards the front door. Down our hallway, we're passing our linen closet. Our first door on the left is going to be our bathroom. You can see very nice, updated. Coming back out, we'll go to our first bedroom. This is the guest bedroom. So this is facing the garage area. We do have a walk-in closet here. So lots of good storage space. And again, this room is partially furnished. So we do have some furnishings and mattress set. Heading back out. Continuing through, we have our master suite. This is on the back corner of the home. We do have a closet, and then we have a separate ensuite. So here is that bedroom. We'll take you into the ensuite now. So we do have barn door closure for privacy here. Newly renovated glass door shower. We also have an extra mirror there as well. So here is our storage or storm door for our privacy. Heading back out to the living room now, we'll take you to the patio. This faces south towards the Pensacola Beach Bridge, towards Pensacola Beach. And we also have the community pool that is directly in front of the unit as well. So here is that. So we have nice good lanai here. There's the pool. There is private beach access. And then you can see the beach just in front of us. Again, this is Sunchase Unit F1, offered by Barron's Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at BarronsPM.com.